What's up? Thanks for checking out this so awesome studio tour here in Borjomi, Georgia. We're on vacation again. Life is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I'm not quite sure what my girlfriend just did, but it's all good. It's $36 a night, not 35. You hear me say $35 in the tour, which is like coming like in a sec. But it's $36 a night. We are super close. Like the unit is adjacent to a winery. And we don't believe it's open right now because of COVID. There's a winery and there's a restaurant, a three-level restaurant across the street that overlooks the river. This pad is sick. It's just a studio. It's sick. Like check this. It's sick. It's comfy, and also we're close to the park and stuff. So we're gonna make it do what it do. But thanks for checking this out. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this video. Would you stay here? Would you not? Of course you would stay here. Hell yeah, $35 a night. Anyhow, we're on a tangent. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Almost forgot about that. And I think that's it. One love, safe travels. Till next time. Peace. Take care. I used to do peace like this until I started traveling. I found out it's actually like that. It's funny. Peace. I will. So we've got a heater, okay, and ton of natural light coming in from the door, in the window, and above the door. It's another, it's not a heater, but it is an AC unit, aircon. And let's check out the bathroom. Oh, here's the fridge. I just showed it, but and it's a smart TV, flat screen, smart TV, cable, everything, cable, internet, and here's the bathroom. Just arrived, just moved in. Just met the host. It's not an Airbnb. We actually found this one on booking.com. And I believe my girlfriend, she's the one that booked it. It's about, hold on, I'm about to sneeze, wait. Oh, I had to pause that. I believe she said either $30 or $35 a night. We're in Borjomi. Um, yeah, we're in Borjomi. And what's really cool, into yeah, what's really cool, oh, that's a heater on the wall for your towel. Keep your towels warm. Um, I like the floors. They look like wood floors, and then the kitchen is, they have tile. So yeah, here's your wood. At least they look like real wood floors, and these look like tile. They feel like tile floors. I also like the chairs. They look comfortable. I haven't sat in them yet. Yep, got a beer going. I arrived with my beer. Vacay mode, and I'm happy. There's the way the furniture's arranged in the studio, but yeah, they're comfortable. They look really new. Like they just like they either this place is really really new, or oh, or they're really good at like making sure to keep stuff like clean. The ceilings are really tall, really really tall. I'm 6'4", and they're really tall. The bed is could be a king size or queen, but it is big. You see that? It's really big, and we're right off the street, so there's a stray dog already outside of our door. Came over to say hello. Money. Hi. And right there, it's adjacent to us. That's a winery. Let's zoom in a bit. It's a winery right there. And right there, that's a restaurant. It has 3 levels. Probably we're going to work from there. We've actually had a meal there before. And if I turn to my right, it's like the city center, so to speak. So we're adjacent. We're close to one of the parks. We're not too far from the. We were there a few days ago, the Borjomi Central Park. So this is a really nice location. Walking distance to everything, all of the attractions. Alright, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this place. $35 a night. I'm going to go with $35 a night until I talk it over, verify that with my girl, and then if I need to update that, I'll put that in the description. $35 a night. Yeah, don't forget to click the notification bell. Until next time, safe travels. Peace. Loving my life right now. Very grateful. Alright, laters. Take care. Bye.